I would like to tell you about lexical grammatical constituents. Constituent or analysis of text at level of lexical grammar. Now, text can be studied at three levels. The first is, as we have already talked about, phonology. The second is graphology, and the third is lexical grammar. Now I'm going to talk about lexical grammatical constituents. So, before we talk about lexical grammar, the term is and the constituents. The definition of constituent is compositional structure of language. Next, lexical grammatical consonancy and its 5 principles. The first is scale of rank. Second, units of rank. Third is close complexes. Fourth is rank, and the last is enclosed. Now, I'm going to talk about each one of them a bit in detail. But before a scale of rank, the first one look a scale of rank first is the clause, and the clause is further divided into two parts: close complex and close nexus. Okay, what is close complex? Close complex is it refers to number of clauses being linked together in a sentence. Next, and what is close nexus? Close nexus is each single linkage within a clause. Complex is referred to as one close nexus. Now, I have already talked about clause, and I'm going to talk about phrase of group. A group of words make phrase but are having the same meaning here. So, grammatically, the constituents of clause is not in fact word, is it either a phrase or a word group. And now, I'm going to talk about what grammatically a word functions as constituents of phrase of group. Next, morphemes are constituents of word. These are no marker of either writing system. Sometimes they can be identified as the parts of written word. For example, eat, ing, eating. Cat is cats. Frightened, Italy frightened, and etc. Okay, and next, scale of rank, units of rank, class complexes, and rank shift. In class now, let's talk about what is scale of rank. There is scale of rank in the grammar of every language. It has just been explained before. Then we have units of rank. Each unit of rank of one more units of rank next below. Next, class complexes unit of every rank may form complexes, not only class complexes but also phrase complexes, group complexes, and even morpheme complexes may be generated by the same grammatical research. Okay, and the last, that is example of grammatical constituents. Look at, we have one example is eat on the small bed, settle to put eating headquarters, and whether cannot be just be there, we sat down beside her and frightened Jesus. Move it away, look here, we have the close complex. One big sentence, then I have it close, I have one group, and then I have the morpheme, and so on how. I have understood the reason. I think that's all. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.